Took my dingoes out all bay out yesterday. Ran into them all with kangaroos. He done brought them.
I done bring them.
What's this?
I bring over some mounts. These are the 2292 anchor mounts, as some people like to just dub them. Look at that. Made in USA.
Where's USA?
USA is a magical place with bald eagles and freedom everywhere. It's my hometown. Anyways.
So these are the Dirty Dingo mounts.
Yeah, the bolts, they use a factory, just, I think they use this mount from like 69 to 88 or some shit, and everything from V6 Camaros to big block Chevys. So pretty much just look up at 2292 is the mount. And then these are all the hardwares that Dirty Dingo, which is a local company to us. The dude that runs it is pretty awesome. He's like one of those dudes that's just, if you ever go to a shop, he will invite you in, show you around, and treat you like a friend, even if he doesn't even know you. So I kind of dig that. Those types of businesses aren't around anymore, and their stuff is decently priced. So go to dirtydingo.com to get your Dirty Dingo stuff.
You Dirty Dingo?
I wonder if they'll give me a discount next time I go in for that plug.
Well, that's.
I'm not asking for one.
Wink, wink.
I'm just wondering if they would. God damn, I should never say anything. I'll pay full price. I'm kidding.
What to do? You can go up a little bit.
Okay.
I think. Yep. There we go.
I think now we can get to them just fine.
I can get to this.
Steve, I hope I'm doing this right. Forward. Arrow points forward, I'm assuming, yeah.
Okay. Good.
Because backwards would put the mount in a really weird fucking place.
What'd you do with the hardware?
It's over hers.
A dingo stole my baby.
A dingo! I tell you, it's a dingo stole my baby. Yeah.
So.
Whoa,
Hey, oh.
up. Okay.
What are we hitting on? Oh, it's a trans. So, first issue is this hunk of cast metal. Running into issues with the exhaust manifolds. So we might have to make new ones, but for the sake of stabbing this engine and getting the mounts made and ready, we're gonna take them off, and then we'll figure it out later. Yeah.
Or something. Cross member might be in the wrong spot.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to go back far enough.
For what? For the oil pan to clear the cross member? Gilbert smiles. Johnny smiles. And Mike sticks the camera in Johnny's face. Along with other things.
Oh, you put moisture on the lens.
Well, I'm sweating. Hey, I'll be right back, guys.
You'll be down there.
Oh, we're gonna have to make a bracket.
Yeah, we'll have to get the Dirty Dingo.
Oh, why didn't I see that?
It's okay.
Coming down.
Whoop.
What are we on? How's your mounts over there, Johnny?
You could probably come forward. Engine's in place and centered. We got it shimmed up on some temporary
Shimmies.
engine mount thingies.
Shimmies.
I can't, but whatever. Yeah. So the plan of attack is to actually bolt the transmission. We've already made sure everything was centered. You didn't get that on tape because we had dead batteries we had to charge.
Somebody didn't charge batteries.
What?
Somebody didn't charge the batteries.
So
Not mention any mics. I mean names.
what?
What?
Oh yeah. So we already know everything's centered. Like the output shaft on the transmission centered. Ish. The engine is centered. Ish. And but we do know the engine is level.
It's level. We checked it with a
So there's no
level.
There's no ish on the levelness.
It is not ish.
It is actually level.
There is no ish.
No.
There is no ish. It's not level-ish. It is level. Okay, flip it over. Hup. Hey! Ho! Falls in between the gas.
Always wear eye protection.
What are those things?
Hey guys, it's Gilbert again. This is just going to be a bunch of gratuitous fabricating. Anything that needs to be pretty much made note of, I stopped the video and kind of let you guys know. If you want to know how to measure your hole to hole, but perfectly, just measure the inside, which we've got we call it 1.130. This is our inside from here to here. You measure your hole dimension, which is we'll call 365 because it's a little over.
Did he know you stole it? I don't think he knows.
So what was our hole to hole again? It was 1.130.
Oh, it's just an object.
1.130 plus whatever your hole dimension was, which was, what did you say, 365.365? And your hole dimension should be 1.495 or inch and a half. So let's go to inch and a half and test our theory.
Really? Like just a lot of
close enough. And that should give us our exact hole to hole, which it is. Yay! If the bolt ever just stops turning on you, just give it a whack and
There you go.
come around. It's called persuasion.
Yeah, I'm gonna weld it all.
Did we do it right?
It's upside down.
I thought you were referencing him.
That's cool though. We can just cut these tacks.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch. I was like, wait a minute.
Take two.
Is that flat on the bottom? Yeah. That's good. cutting? What? It feels like it's just... There it is. There we go. There it is.
What'd you forget, Mike?
Oh, I just forgot to weld on something. Probably doesn't even need it.
That guy.
Right here.
Right there.
I'm bored. Transmission mount. Oh, you wanna throw something underneath that? Done.
Yes.
Yeah, and then
Yes.
right, and then that's gonna.
Yes.
Yeah, there we go.
Done.
Tuna curter. Tuna curter. Close enough.
That's enough.
Half an inch.
Half an inch.
God, f that thing. My welder.
A chicken. Suck a chicken.
Suck a chicken, or like a Richard Nixon.
We're gonna lift this up. We're gonna pull these engine mounts out via these bolts here that I'm gonna take this nut off of. Nut off. And just enough to pull those out. We're gonna take out them blocks. We're gonna slam these bad boys that we just fabricated and stick them in there, get the engine leveled out, and then we're gonna tack the bottom sides onto the chassis, and that'll be the engine transmission mount. Mock-up stuff will be done, and then we can yank the motor and trans back out, unfortunately, and finalize everything, which is the fun part.
Audience, welcome back. This is day 2 dose on this half of the stabbage. Right. Johnny had some family business he wanted to do, which is great. It's always fun to hang out with your family. You should do that from time to time. But today, we're not going to really do that much. We're just going to unstab it. We're going to finish welding up the engine mounts, and then...
There it is.
Good shot. Holy crap.
Just got the engine pulled out and we had a few snags literally on these little guys right here, so we're gonna nip them off because the mounts come down kind of at that angle. I don't think they were mounted like this originally, like from the GM. I think they were mounted more level, but the way we've got them, it's the way we've got them. So we'll cut these tabs off. That'll help it come up and out easier, and we'll run nuts on the backside that get welded so that when we go to yank it again, we can just loosen these mounts, and so everything kind of just jiggles around and allows for more movement.
Yeah, so yeah, it's kind of what you're going to see next is we're going to clean some more of this garbage off of the frame here, fully weld out those motor mounts, and then
getting my degrease on.
probably should have done a better job before we stabbed it in here.
Yeah, we were getting used to it.
Getting after it, are we?
Man, I'm inside you. How's it feel to me being inside you, girl?
That little ketone. Good destructive stuff. If it ain't good for the ozone or the earth, it's probably good for degreasing.
Dude, it's not a welding helmet.
What is it?
It's a hood. Welding,
Like straight up from the hood.
welding hood. Well, they're not going anywhere.
Well, I'd hope not.
I mean, go hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share with your friends.